Okay, my husband...
I'm exhausted from talking to you.
My husband told me to turn the camera on. Good morning, guys. I'm back to the car. Just get back from the dialysis, and of course my two cats following me. It's crazy cats. You crazy guys? My husband is leaving me again. Han? He's not answering me. Is that a cane, honey? How can I put the camera?
It's the top. It's a
Okay,
monopod.
so that means I hold in this area here?
That's what a monopod is, hon. You don't think it'll stand by itself?
No, but I mean, no, it's monopod is single one, but supposedly this you hold here because it's thicker.
No, you hold it like here. Let's say you're going above a crowd or something, you hold it here. It's got to stand, so you can stand it so it stays level, so there's no shaking.
Okay. Guys, the new monopod right now is when you stretch it, you're holding the fat area and you put the camera to the... Let me see, hon. Look at guys. Monopod. How long is this, hon? What I think about this monopod, guys, is when you're holding it like this, the camera will go up. You know, when you're doing it like this, the camera is pointing up. There's no adjustment that the camera, you can face it wherever the angle, you know, you can't change the angle of the camera. Oh yeah, I'm back to my sweater again. It's freezing cold out here.
Hot as hell.
It's freezing cold.
I'm sweating.
My husband is just addict with this. And it's good. It's good. It's good. I'm gonna bring it to the Philippines. Okay, you guys, if you're watching my vlog, this is going to the Philippines. I hope a Casco still have that, right? But it's already peeled. I think I showed it to you the other day, the other vlog. Did you see this? I think I did, right? But I'll show it to you. My husband, when we're going to the counter, my husband found this with that, I guess, right? The pistachio and this together. And I said, what is this? Toasted coconut cashews. You try this. It's so good.
It's got a little vanilla.
It's just good. I don't know what's in there, but if you come in this house, there's a lot of junk food everywhere. That's why I gain weight.
Yeah.
So much junk food. I'm still watching my Pretty Little Liars again, guys. Look at these two cats, guys. It's like we can't even sit in there because we don't like to bother them. They're just like lying down, sleep, and Habs is right there, curled up, and Dimples hung his head, her head, and Habs is here. Can't even see him. It's like, don't bother me, Mama. That's why we put those cover in this love set, because look, the cat's always there. Guys, she just called my phone, so we're ready to go. Han, what are you doing? I thought we're going. I love you, baby. I love you.
Every time I do something, I'm just like, I got this from the Philippines, guys. This one, look at that, it's all like bended. It's all like overused already. It's big. Because, look, if I don't want any hair hanging in my face or in the back, I'm just gonna just do this. And then in the side here, all I have to do is like, roll it right
Mommy Junisha. Manny Pacquiao's mother. Re-eat me, you. She just makes me laugh. You ready, hon? You gonna go that way? Oh, you give me. What happened to you? Huh? I will shut it off now. That's why he gave me a bad look. Because the speaker is on. I intentionally not shut it off.
Oh, shit.
Huh?
I'm sitting with my flashlight.
Where did you put it?
It's sitting on the desk table, little table.
In our room? Forget again. Hi guys. Oh my god, it feels nice. My husband's always left something. Every places he go to. He has a nice one. What is that? Complete tools, small one for to put in the belt. What is that, hun? How do you call that?
Leatherman.
Leatherman. And he loved it so much. He used it everywhere, and it's very useful, handy. And he left it somewhere, and now he doesn't have that. I bought him one, but he doesn't use it. It's not the complete one. It's not the handy, I guess. Where are you going after here? It's nice.
It's hot.
It's nice. I just said that it's nice, and you said yes, hon. It's nice.
I did not say yes, it's nice.
I said it's nice out. So where are you going?
Well, if I'm not going to Manhattan for Roger, then I'm going to Long Island. Then I'll go to Manhattan after that. It's supposed to be colder today.
Look, I'm wearing a jacket. I'm really nice. That's good.
My head's wet. My head's wet.
No, it's very dry.
Touch it. Tell me it's
I'm not gonna touch it. Fine, I'll touch. I wipe your thing. My husband, just tell me, wipe me, hon.
Fine.
Just wipe me, hon. I'm wet.
Dry, huh?
My husband is wet. My husband. Don't get me wrong, guys. It's a different wet. Not wet. Like wet. Not wet. Right, honey?
Sweat. Wet.
Yeah, sweat. It's not. I went inside the house. My husband not following me. I don't know where he is. So I come outside and it's nice. Very greeny. You see my husband? It's very nice and greeny. Yeah. I like the grass, very green. A what?
Level right.
It's not level right.
And look how low that is where the air conditioner is getting back at right.
You didn't do it right. Han, are you gonna call them back?
Stand there like this.
Oh, really? They're big. They stand there and act like a
Yeah,
big.
because they got the mic on the lapel or on the tie. You gotta make sure it's the right distance away, otherwise it's too close to feed back. It's too far away. You can't.
So you have to keep changing
And then
it?
you gotta take the receiver part. You gotta clip it on the back of their belt somewhere, or in the pocket, or the suit pocket, or something.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's a little bit more.
Speed warning.
So that's the job that you don't like.
Right. Well, I don't mind running them. Like, I just don't like miking people up.
Come to traffic. Holy cow! This is bridge traffic. My husband told me that when I first met him, hold on. He told me that I told him that I love smoke. I never smoke.
You didn't say you smoked. You said, no, smoking doesn't bother me. I like smoke.
Are you kidding
Huh?
me?
It's what you said.
I have a good memory, hon.
You have no memory, huh?
Speed warning.
Zero.
This cigarette, he keep changing different cigarette now. And then I don't know what's going on with this kind of cigarettes he's been using. It's my throat every morning is like locked up, like I have to like
That's from the cat hair.
cat.
You get a hairball from sleeping with the cat.
Oh no, so no, you blame Habs now. You know what he does, son? When I push him away, he just
Like
look.
you?
No, he look at me back,
Like you squish
and
his
then
heart.
jump and run downstairs.
Squish his heart.
There's something wrong. I'm ready to get up, because
Squish his heart.
I squeeze his heart. Yeah, it's hurting him.
Squish his
I
little
push him
tiny,
away.
teeny heart.
A little teeny heart, that cutie pie. He is so cute, honey. You know what I bring, guys? Yammers. I'm sorry about the sun, guys. We're here already in our destination, which is in the Long Island. I'm sorry about the light. We're going. We're going back home, guys. We're done. No, my husband's finally done.
I only done here, and I still got Manhattan. Ice cream for drive.
No.
Sure.
What kind of ice cream? In the side here? No, I don't want it.
A little ice cream parlor.
No, I don't want it. Believe me, I don't trust. There's a lot of Ebola in there.
Hey,
My husband, he will buy me an ice cream in the side creepy store.
it's a store.
Creepy, small, scary store. I don't want to have...
It's not a scary store. It's a store.
I don't want to eat ice cream from them.
Those beach towns all have little mom pop owned ice cream stores, hon. What's the matter to you?
What's the butter to me?
What's the matter to you?
What's the butter to me? I'm margarine to you. What's the butter to me? I'm margarine to you.
It should be okay. Sure you don't want ice cream?
No, hon.
This is homemade ice cream.
No, I don't want it.
And turned. Really good.
No, it looks creepy. Look at that store,
look
guys.
creepy,
Creepy
huh?
to me.
Looks like any other beach town ice cream store.
It's so sunny. The sun is blind. Makes me blind. No, it's red. It's yellow.
Hon, there's a difference between red and yellow. Where's my
Because-
handicap thing?
It's over here. It's because when I saw it, it's yellow. Okay? When I say yellow, it's yellow.
You said red. You said, oh no, it's red.
No, no, because it's red already.
Was it red?
Yellow and then red.
Right. Yellow the second time you said it, so it could have been red first. So
No,
it's red and then yellow. It goes
No, I said yellow and then red. No!
Fine.
You guys, if you hear that, then
Play it back. Play it back. You
Oh,
recorded? Play it back.
I will play it back.
I want you to play it
in
back
your
right now.
ass.
No, play it out right now. I want to hear it.
Oh, 7-Eleven there.
I want to hear it now. Play it back.
Oh, my husband.
Play it back. Come on, hit stop and play back.
No, later.
No, no.
He is annoying now, guys. Annoying.
Yes, he's annoying. I'll pull over so you don't miss nothing, hon.
Yeah, later.
No, not later. Now.
Okay, honey, I did see it, okay? Are you happy now? Slow down because there's car coming.
I know you say that, hon. This is like this is the
Slow
first time I
down,
can
baby.
actually prove it. You're gonna tell me I'm crazy. You didn't.
Oh, I know you are crazy. Accept the reality.
The reality is now I can prove it. And you know it. That's why you don't want to play back. Oh, you know what? I will turn here because it's a green arrow.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it would go straight. This is bad. But how would it? I'll let this one go.
Recalculating. Drive 0.2 miles.
Every time my husband drive, the problem is every time I said something, you turn here. Oh, this is the you go this way, and then wind up the wrong way, and he will blame me.
Well, you keep telling me the wrong way.
Yeah, but you know you don't know where to go, so
Right.
So then you tell me the wrong way.
because I give you direction.
Sure. If you give me direction, give me the right direction.
But sometimes you know I think some exit is the same. It's confusing,
Mom
guys.
is, guys, in her head, she thinks like she knows herself.
I know everything. That's the
That's
problem.
the problem.
Honey, why you are annoying, hon? Okay, my
I'm
husband.
exhausted from talking to him.
My husband told me to turn the camera on. Okay, so let him talk.
You're now listening to the Philippine drama queen.
What?
She's exhausted now.
He called me a drama queen. Now it's traffic here. Slow down, hon. Yeah,
Drama
this is.
queen from Philippines.
Watch out, because there's a big train here running so fast.
Huh? Backseat driver.
Backseat, I'm a backseat driver.
Drive.
And I have a brake here. Every time he's driving and there's traffic and he's speeding, I brake myself like under here.
And screams at me while she does it.
Because I'm nervous.
Holes from the donut.
Really?
That's what they used to call them, donut holes.
Oh, do that hole?
Yeah, they're like the dough from inside.
Okay. What did you? My husband gave me something, but I don't know what is this.
Coffee colada.
Coffee colada. And my husband is having what? Dunkin' Donut.
Hot coffee.
No, that one.
Cinnamon glaze on it.
Cinnamon glazed donut, and I have the regular donut. This is not regular, it's glazed donut. Close to the house, and then we're just picking up some food in that restaurant right there. My husband is ordering something for takeout, and time check is already 7:08. We're out again, guys. Bye, Hams. The cat's just staring at us right now. We're going out. We're heading to Manhattan. Me and my husband. Hopefully we can get out here soon
991.
because it's already late. I mean, my husband's almost done, so we're gonna get out soon here.